Welcome to my project Bazaar. We go to demo of system. Project title is SEPIA, Secure Pin Authentication as a Service for ATM using mobile and wearable devices. The modified title is Enhanced Pin Endorsement for Secure ATM Service using Mobile App. Why we calling the mobile app means we have to integrate this project Java and Android app, so that we have to modify the title like that. Enhanced pin endorsement for secure ATM service using mobile app. The modified abstract is nowadays the credit and debit card frauds or attacks are major issue for banking sector and account holder. So day by day banks have given more security for their account holder, such as ATM credit or debit card security on online and mobile banking user also. But still the intrusion hacking their security in any one of the way. In this paper we propose about the pin authentication using generate the QR code with mobile device. The enhanced approach has give more secure than existing system of pin authentication protocol for ATM and other point of service terminals. Our approach protocols user from shoulder surface and partial observations attacks, and is also resistant to delay, replay and intermediate transaction attacks. The existing architecture is like that. The user is coming to the ATM service center, they have to insert the code, and after validate their code they go to the pin verification, then the service is access. Different services access using by ATM, but our enhanced proposals is we have to using and access the bank services without cordless transaction. So the user interface by account number, they have to interaction using user's account number, and the security QR code or pin verification also they have to using. So pin authentication is authentication success means they have to go to database and update their OTP, because every QR code hidden the OTP password. So their pin authentication is if it correct means they have to update their OTP, and using their OTP and the person's OTP will visible in a ATM window. That window will we have to capture in our mobile and verify our OTP or OTP password in our that is come to our mobile app, and we given the correct OTP, our services ATM services will be provided by the ATM. So this is our cordless transaction using with the enhanced privacy. Next we go to show the demo. This is our project SEPIA. Now we go to demo system. This is first we should run home.java. This is our home page. Now click the click here button. The next page will the control will be goes to next page. Here two types of transaction have to be available: card transaction and cardless transaction. The card transaction is usual transaction, just we have to show, but we don't have any using any actions here. So our actions all performance only the cardless transaction, because this SEPIA project focused on cardless transaction security purpose. If we enter the wrong in the SEPIA project, we have to validate the user's account number based service selections are given here. So if we enter the wrong account means the error message will be entered, and the control will be again goes to home page. So again we come to confirm start pages. So we should give our ID as proper. If the ID is correct, if the account number is correct means the control will be goes to next page, I mean the QR code generation page. The QR code have contained some the user's account details. Here we have to set it 30 seconds. So in this gap, the Android app will be generate our OTP is from our mobile applications, Android applications. It will be generated. So this pin is update from Android app. So we should give a correct ID, means the control will be goes to next pages. Otherwise, suppose the control doesn't I mean the pin OTP is if it wrong, means again the control will be goes to home page. So in this way we have to give us cardless transactions in our project using secure authentication pin verifications. So it is a very new invention. So in existing system has only giving transactions for ATM only for a card transaction, but the cardless transaction doesn't implement in real life. So this is a way of new approach to cardless transaction. Cardless transaction service from ATM and with the security approaches are also implemented in new way. Thank you. On the other hand, if we enter the OTP password is wrong, means the services doesn't provide. So I will show that mode of way also. So this is account validation. So after validate the account, the process will be the control will be goes to next page, I mean the QR generation page. If it give a if we give a correct OTP, means then only the service would be provided to the end users. Suppose the pin is wrong, means the warning message will be pop up, and then the control also goes to home page. So again we have to try, means just if we come to this way only. This is here we have to check in 3 types of conditions. First account number, then QR code, OTP. If we don't give anyone input in this page, means the page will set in the 30 seconds after, means the page automatically control goes to home page, because within 30 seconds we don't give any input of this current page, means the process just and then the process will be closed. So you have to watching here. So in this way we have to implement this project. Thank you for watching.